And then exhale, close everything in, chin to chest, elbows in. So kneeling cat-cows. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Last one. Open it up. Feel that energy flowing outward. And then exhale as though you're hugging it in and harnessing it. Now let the knees widen and crawl the hands out for a child's pose. Allow the head to just go side to side here as you massage the third eye space and the forehead. Inhale, lift the head, walk your hands over to the right for a side bend of the left side. And we'll lift the head up, walk your hands to the opposite side. Place the hand down. Feel that nice side bend here.